Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And there was a misclick because this one has already a photo applied, so let me tap on Laura and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the circle, so add photo, and here we can pick from two different options. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Okay, now we can find something in our gallery, so let me pick this one. And right now we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, you can rotate it right here, up to you of course, and tap on Save Copy. Okay, so here we've got our photo applied, and if you're really sure that you want to leave this option here, simply tap on Save. And as you can see, our photo has been applied to the contact. This is how it will look like, and after getting back to the contact list, you will be able to see it, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.